About 22 years ago, we discovered this little bay here.
Our dream was to build a lovely home that felt like we're on holiday all the time and have the next part of our lives in this lovely spot that we've discovered.
It certainly feels like you've arrived. It's a destination. We're based on the Karikari Peninsula in the far north. It's a beautiful spot. We sometimes refer to it as the Fiji of New Zealand. Beautiful white sand beaches. And the clients came to us and we'd designed a few houses for them before, earlier on, so we knew them well. They wanted a resort style home that was multi-generational. When you walk in, it's got a large, sort of like a hotel style portico out the front. Certainly got a very resorty feel, and as you come through the big pivot door, you just look straight through to the ocean. There's an amazing sense of arrival. Big 2-storey atrium with a marble wall and a floating staircase. The clients really wanted a home that was really easy to look after, and they didn't have to get too precious with grandkids tearing around the place. So it is very easy care surfaces. There's a lot of softness in it as well, a lot of soft drapes and rugs to keep the echo down. Just gives it that sense of homeliness. Beautiful natural materials, lots of woods and stone. The interior designer, Alicia Pangari, was great. She pulled it all together, all the finishes. There's some beautiful large format tiles, which John Winterbourne did. He made a brilliant job of those. Great team of local far north tradespeople. They made a brilliant job of pulling it all together. Exterior, we've got plastered easy panel, which is an aerated concrete product. We've mixed that with stone and cedar. The materials are timeless and they're very low maintenance. We've used the cedar in places like the eaves and feats where it doesn't get hit by the weather. Overall, the style it does pay homage to mid-century modern with the low-pitch roof, white eaves. Very timeless American architecture, and it will be very timeless in New Zealand too. It actually blends in very well in the peninsula. What really sets this house apart is really the site and the response of the house and the architecture to the site. It's very connected to the site. Wherever you own the house, you can look out. The owners have done beautiful landscaping, which is getting really established now. The fact that wherever you look outside through the windows, you're connecting with the landscape.
The garden's been a big part of Nick and his love of plants.
It's a project that's given me something to do. I'm retired.
It's a great playground for the children, the grandchildren.
My favourite aspect, it might come as a little bit of a surprise, you walk into the guest room at the end of the house, there's just an amazing shot out to this garden, and through the garden you can see the sea and the white sand of the beach. It was really the biggest surprise. When we were here designing it, a lot of our focus was on the harbour and Mount Camel, but it's those intimate glimpses through to the landscaping. We've been using ArchiPro for 9 years. It's a great platform. We send all of our clients to it. We make sure that they know it's there. They can see New Zealand products, they can talk to the manufacturers, they can get samples, and we can confidently know that those materials can be sourced. I think that's a big thing with architecture, is getting to know the clients, coming together with a design for them that works really well and seeing them happy at the end of it. It is very much a family home. The owners really do love it, and their family and grandkids love it.